Hi, my name is Drew, and today I'll walk you through how to deploy and set up elastic mass MapReduce. So first of all, just jump right in. Let's go to S3 bucket, and then choose a directory that you want to upload your file. And now we can upload the input folder. Choose the folder, upload other file, and then it's done. And now we have the input folder, and we want to upload the fat.jar file so we can run it in our instance, in our Hadoop instance. Alright, and then next up we will go and set up our Hadoop cluster. Alright, so now we're in Amazon EMR. We want to go ahead and create our cluster. Let's change up the name as EMR, and then we'll be using the folder, the S3 folder that we have uploaded our file to. And then the configuration, keep it the same. Hardware configuration, just keep it the same. And then for the security and access, we want to choose the key value pair that we set over here. And then we can go ahead and create the cluster. And now we have to wait until the cluster have finished starting up. Alright, now we have our cluster running, finished booting up. We will go and SSH into the machine, into the EC2 machine, with the Hadoop as a user at port 22. Alright, we have successfully SSH into the machine. Now we have to download the S3 folder into our machine using this command. Alright, so now we pull the input folder into our machine. That's done. And now we have to do the same thing with the jar file. Alright, so if we take a look, we have the jar file in the input folder. Now what we want to do is to put that folder into our Hadoop HDFS machine. So log input, and that's done. And you can double check by doing ls. As you can see, we have the input. Now we can run the jar file using this command. So what we do is we use Hadoop, and then we specify the jar file, which is this, and then we specify the package, and then the main class. That is where our MapReduce lies, and then the input folder, and then the output folder. And just to make sure that the output folder is not have yet created inside of the HDFS machine. Alright, we can run this command and then wait for it to finish. Alright, so now if we take a look at our HDFS directory, we can see that we have the output folder. Now let's check out what is inside of it. Right, so now we have this as our result files, and now let's read it. And now that you can see the result from the MapReduce function, and we have successfully deployed our MapReduce function onto EMR.